Welcome back to another episode of Storytime. Today, a brand new story of travel and adventure. Let's begin. Norway, a new frontier. This frontier is breached in the city of Bergen. In particular, the funicular up the hill to Fløyen. Many scenes could be seen there, ranging from the complexity of a city to the simplicity of nature. Goats, ducks, and ice cream. All features of this mountain climb. Trails were explored and hills were climbed. Until finally it was time to descend. Gone was the stillness, instead replaced by the heartbeat of a city. Shops, Teslas, and sweaters replaced the ducks, goats, and ice cream. Nonetheless, still time enjoyed. Time spent walking among boats and among friends. Then it was time to turn in for the night. The Bergen Budget Hotel is the resting place for these weary travelers. Food was bought, cooked, and consumed as the day wore down. And now, a breaking news story from a well-known clown.
Thus just in, fjords. They're everywhere. Not the geological occurrence, but the brand new rating system designed by H-Drone Productions. We now go live to Willie on the streets for an in-depth feature on this brand new phenomenon.
Thanks, Bob. Willie here. Fjord is a rating system composed of 5 different categories. The first, features. The second, joy. The third, optimal. The fourth, radius. And finally, the fifth, droneability. First, features. For example, the Bergen Budget Apart Hotel gets a rating of 3 out of 5 features because of its kitchen, bathroom, which has the door closed, and table. It also has 2 beds. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman. The joy rating for the Bergen Budget Apart Hotel gets a 2.5 out of 5 because we couldn't get in and we didn't feel much joy from that. The optimal score is based on the value of the Bergen Budget Apart Hotel. This optimal score is going to get a 1.5 out of 5 fjords. That is because we paid over $200 and this apartment sucks. The radius score for the Bergen Budget Apartment Hotel is 3.5 out of 5. It gets the score because of its relative closeness to the things that we want to see. Finally, the droneability category. For this apartment hotel, the droneability score is a big old question mark because we're not really sure. We're going to give it a tentative 3.5 because we might be able to put the drone up later. Thank you all for listening. Back to you in the newsroom, Bob.
Thanks, Willie. What a fascinating story on a fascinating phenomenon. Now the weather. Sarah?
It's cold.
Thanks, Sarah. Thanks for watching this special broadcast. Take care.